Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down 5 essential pillars that every successful business or entrepreneur must master, from planning to execution. Whether you're launching a startup or optimizing a growing business, understanding these will give you a massive edge. Let's dive in. Everything starts with information. You can't make smart decisions if you're flying blind. Information gathering means collecting relevant data, market trends, customer behavior, competitors, financial performance, and even regulatory changes. Tools like surveys, market reports, competitor analysis, and AI-driven analytics can help you dig deep. But remember, it's not just about more data, it's about the right data. Always validate your sources. Bad data leads to bad decisions. Now that you know what you're dealing with, it's time to build the engine, your financial structure. This includes revenue models, expense forecasting, capital structure, like debt versus equity, tax planning, and compliance. It's not just about staying afloat. It's about scaling smart. A solid financial structure helps you weather slow seasons, attract investors, and allocate resources efficiently. Work with a financial advisor or accountant early on. It's an investment, not an expense. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Execution. No matter how good your plan is, it means nothing without action. Operations include product creation or service delivery, team coordination, customer interaction monitoring. KPIs efficiency is key. Use tools like project management software, CRMs, and real-time dashboards to keep things running smoothly. Create SOPs, standard operating procedures. They reduce errors and keep your team aligned. Think of your funds like water. You have to redirect the flow to where it's most needed. Funding reallocation means analyzing what's working and moving money accordingly. Is your marketing ROI low? Shift funds to product development. Did you over-budget operations? Move that extra cash to customer acquisition. This isn't about cutting, it's about optimizing. Run monthly budget reviews. Small course corrections now prevent big problems later. Finally, let's talk about spending. Every dollar should have a purpose. Ask yourself, is this spend helping me grow revenue, improve product or service, build long-term customer value, avoid vanity expenses? Things that look good but don't add real value. Focus on strategic spending that drives outcomes. Implement a purchase approval process, especially as your team grows. To recap, gather the right information. Build a strong financial foundation. Execute operations effectively. Reallocate funds with strategy. Spend with intention. Master these 5 pillars, and you're not just running a business, you're building a legacy. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want a deep dive into any of these topics? Drop it in the comments.